Once upon a farm, where the sun did beam, lived animals. Oh, what a dream! Pigs with snouts, and cows with spots. In the farmyard, where laughter trots. On this farm, where the rooster crowed, the animals had tails. Oh, what a load! A sheep named Sue, so fluffy and white. Good evening, dear friends. Oh, what a night! In the barn so red, where the hay did sway, the animals gathered, ready to play. Let's have a party, with a hoot and cheer, in the farmyard where the moments are dear. The pigs oinked first, with a snort so grand, let's dance and wiggle in the farmyard sand. So the pigs twirled and pranced, oh what a sight, in the farmyard where the mood was light. But wait, what's this? A bar from the side, Sue the sheep, with wool so wide. Let's play a game, so fluffy and fun, in the farmyard where the day's not done. The cows mooed in, with a gentle low. Hide and seek, let's give it a go. So the animals played, with laughter so bright, in the farmyard where the sun shone light. As the day rolled on, and the clouds did pass, the animals gathered on the green, green grass. A horse named Hank, with a neigh so strong, said, let's sing a song all day long. So the animals sang, with a melody sweet, in the farmyard where the moments fleet. They sang about the sun and the breeze so cool, in the farmyard where the golden rule. But oh, what's this? A rooster on a bale, with feathers so bright and a mighty tail. I've got a joke, so funny and wise, in the farmyard where the laughter flies. The rooster crowed, with a cackle so grand. Why did the chicken join the band? The animals chuckled, with a joyful glee, in the farmyard where the fun did spree. But the sun dipped low in the western hue. The animals yawned with dreams in view. It's time for bed, in the cosy stall, in the farmyard where dreams enthrall. So the animals nestled, in the hay so sweet, in the farmyard where dreams would greet. The moon peeked in with a silver light. Good night, dear animals, sleep tight. The cows lay down with a gentle sigh, in the farmyard where dreams soar high. The pigs snuggled close, in a piggy pile, in the farmyard where dreams beguile. Sue the sheep whispered, with a woolly grin, good night, dear friends, dream from within. In the farmyard where the night is hushed, sweet dreams, my friends, until the morning's flushed. And so, in the quiet of the farmyard so fair, the animals dreamt, with a tender air, with dreams of laughter and morning light, a sweet good night, until the dawn's first bright. In a jungle, where the leaves were green, lived a lemur family, a sight to be seen. Little Lenny, with fur so soft, was ready for adventures, oh so oft. Mama lemur, Papa lemur, watch me go, I'm ready to play, put on a show. I'll climb the trees so high and grand, with my tail in the air and my fur so tanned. Mama and Papa lemur, with eyes full of pride, nimble and clever, our Lenny, they sighed. Go on, little one, spread your wings, but remember, dear Lenny, safety first, all things. So Lenny leaped, with a bound so spry, ready to explore under the sky. Up the trees, with a giggly glee, a little lemur, oh so free. But what's this? As Lenny climbed so high, a branch shook, making him say, oh my, I'm a little shaky, a little unsure. Mama, Papa, are you still secure? Mama and Papa Lemur, with eyes so keen, watched their little one, in the treetops serene. Precious Lenny, you're doing so well, but if you need us, just give a yell. With new-found courage, Lenny climbed on. The branches, the leaves, oh what fun! Through the canopy, with a leap and a spin, a little lemur, with a wide, happy grin. As he ventured higher, a bird he did meet, with colourful feathers, a sight so sweet. Hey there, Lenny, with your tail so long. Want to join me in a birdie song? Lenny nodded with a gleeful cheer, joined the bird in a song so clear. Mama and Papa Lemur, down below, listened to the melody, watching the show. But as the day waned and the sun turned gold, Lenny felt a bit tired, a bit cold. Time to go home, to my nest so snug, Mama. Papa, give me a hug. Down the tree with a careful climb, Lenny returned, just in time. Mama and Papa Lemur, with open arms wide, hugged their little one right by their side. You did so well, exploring so high, but now it's time to rest under the sky. In the safety of our loving embrace, good night, dear Lenny, in this peaceful space. As the moon cast its gentle glow, Lenny closed his eyes, letting dreams flow. Mama and Papa Lemur, keeping watch so near, in the jungle where love was clear. And as the night whispered with a calming hush, good night, sweet Lenny, in the jungle plush, in the dreams so deep where adventures unfurl. Good night, dear Lenny, my little jungle squirrel.